children. Welcome to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Vijay Lakshmi, your maths teacher. Children, we have been learning about the lesson measurement. We have learned the measurement of length and the measurement of weight. Today, let us learn the measurement of volume or capacity. Okay?
Ramu was playing in the garden. He saw 3 holes in the garden. He decided to fill them with water. He filled hole A with 5 mugs of water, hole B with 7 mugs of water, and hole C with 3 mugs of water. Now tell me which is the biggest hole? Yes, hole B is the biggest hole. Here is Mary and jug with 2 jugs. When Mary pours in water in her jug, it looks like this. And when John pours in water into his jug, it looks like this. We can see that John's jug is filled up. And Mary can pour in one more glass to fill her jug up. So can you tell me which jug holds more water? Yes, it is Mary's jug. Isn't it, children? So we can say that the capacity of the jug which Mary has is more than the capacity of the jug which John has. Now, here are 2 pots of the same size. Mary and John are going to fill up the pots with the bottles in their hands. Mary needs 16 bottles to fill up the pot, and John needs 8 bottles to fill up his pot. We can say that the capacity of the bottle of John is more than the capacity of the bottle of Mary. Isn't it, children? So,
capacity is the amount of liquid a container can hold. Standard units of capacity are liter and milliliter. Liter is used to measure larger quantities and milliliter is used to measure small quantities. Okay? And 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Today in this class we will learn how to convert liter into milliliter and milliliter into liter. Okay, children? Children, the short form of liter is L and the short form of milliliter is ml. And we know 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So now let us learn how to convert liter into milliliter first. 7 liters. To convert liters into milliliters, we need to multiply with 1000. So 7 into 1000 is equal to 7000 milliliter. So we can convert liter into milliliter by multiplying with 1000. Now children, let us convert 8 liter 250 milliliter into milliliters. Already we have 250 milliliters. So we need to convert 8 liters into milliliters. 8 liters is equal to, yes, 8 into 1000 which is equal to 8000 milliliters. So 8 liters is equal to 8000 milliliters plus 250 milliliters. And that is equal to 8250 milliliter. Okay, children? So, children, did you understand how to convert liter and milliliter to milliliters? Yes. Let us do one more example. 14 liters and 500 milliliter. That is equal to 14 liters. We have to convert 14 liters to milliliters. We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So 14 liters is equal to 14,000 milliliters. So it is 14,000 milliliters plus 500 milliliters, which is equal to 14,500 milliliters. Okay, children. So I hope now you have understood how to convert liter and milliliter to liter. Okay?
Let us do an easy method to convert liter and milliliter into milliliter. For example, 4 liter and 850 milliliter. Put the digits together and you have 4850 milliliter.
Now children, let us learn how to convert milliliters to liters. We know that 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter, isn't it? So 5000 milliliters is equal to, what will be the answer? Yes, it is equal to 5 liters, isn't it? Okay, so what about 25,000 milliliters? Yes, it is equal to 25 liters. Okay, so now let us convert 4500 milliliters into liters and milliliters. So for that we need to expand the number in thousands and hundreds. So how many thousands are there? Yes, 4000, isn't it? 4000 milliliter plus 500 milliliter. And 4000 milliliter is equal to how many liters? Yes, 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So 4000 milliliter is equal to 4 liters. So 4 liters and milliliters. Okay children, I hope you have understood how to convert milliliters into liters and milliliters. Okay?
Now let us do an easy method to convert milliliters to liters and milliliters. Consider 6450 milliliters. The last three digits 4, 5 and 0 form the milliliters and the rest of the digit form the liters.
Children, I hope you have understood what is capacity and how to convert liter into milliliter and milliliter into liter. So practice more problems children. Go through the YouTube video, write on the notes and answer the test questions which I am giving in the classroom. Okay? See you again with another new topic. Until then, goodbye. Stay safe and stay home.